Oh my God.
Are you okay?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hi everyone, my name's Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we're the Sorry Girls.
And welcome to a brand new series that we're starting called Style Selected.
Style Selected, it's where we make over people's spaces. We each design a plan for the room, and they have to select which style they want.
Oh my gosh, the drama.
And today, we're with Adelaine Morin making over her bedroom.
Adelaine is a lifestyle beauty YouTuber and vlogger who needs some help with her Toronto bedroom, and we're here to help her out.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, this is Adeline in blue, and we're here today in her Toronto bedroom. Brown is not Adeline's color.
Tell us what your color is, because we don't know.
Yellow!
It's yellow. So we're gonna give her bedroom a makeover that's perfectly suited to her and her style. Can you tell us a little bit about what you want different in here?
It's just, I don't really like to film in here because it's just not a pretty, it's not pretty.
It's brown.
I mean, yeah, it is like, it's nice, but not like YouTube pretty, It's not like bright colors, like,
We know.
Like a background for your videos, and like my background's like Polaroids that are all falling
off.
down.
Yeah.
It's just like kind of a pizza bed and...
Yeah, so tell me about the food. We had the pizza bed, donut pillow, cookie pillow.
I was like so inspired by iCarly.
Oh.
Do you remember iCarly?
Yeah,
And they had their web show, and I was like, I want my YouTube channel to be like iCarly.
Yes.
So I tried to get like a gummy bear lamp, and like there's all the food
That's
stuff.
so funny. iCarly. So the food doesn't need to stay.
No.
Okay.
Can we freshen it up a
Yeah.
bit? This pizza's looking a bit stale.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Thanks.
Nice one.
But
I also feel like Sheldon takes up a lot of room on this desk here.
Yeah, introduce
Okay.
Sheldon if people don't know.
this is Sheldon. He was my first pet because I wasn't allowed to have a dog, and then I moved to LA. I barely told my parents I was getting a dog, and I brought a dog.
Lives by your own
home.
rules now.
Yeah. So this is Sheldon.
So Sheldon takes up pretty much your whole desk, but I'm
Yeah.
guessing being a busy YouTuber, you need a desk.
And we have some good furniture bones here. I mean, we can definitely work with this. You don't have to get all new stuff. You can
No.
still do a bedroom makeover, guys, without buying all new things. So we're gonna prove that. So we're gonna each come up with a plan.
A floor plan and
Okay.
like color
Design
and a
plan.
design.
And you're gonna have to choose which one you like. So we're gonna get to work figuring that out, and then we'll call you back and you can decide. Decision day.
Okay.
Okay, for my design, I'm basically just doing everything Adeline. I wanna do yellow bedspread, a rug on the ground. I wanna move Sheldon up onto a dresser on that empty wall, and then also give her a floor-length mirror. I also wanna do a ladder instead of a side table just because I think it'll take up a little bit less room and can kind of be used the same way. And something I'm really excited about is Ada Doodles. So basically her Instagram theme is her just doodling on all of her photos and is the cutest. So I wanna do that on the walls in her bedroom. And then just some other fun elements. It's gonna be yellow. There's gonna be a lot of yellow in it. Maybe a couple other fun colors. But yeah, that's the design. Some DIY.
Oh, I love this one. That was so cute.
Okay.
So my plans for her bedroom involve a little bit of yellow, but I also want to give her some other colors as well. So I'm thinking of going for a more beachy vibe that involves some whites and some blues. I want to give her a giant rug on the floor that kind of mimics the sand tone, so it really feels beachy. I want to move Sheldon under the window to give him a new look and put it up on a dresser so she has lots of storage. And one really fun thing that I want to do is give her a hanging hammock chair to really add that extra beachy vibe. And of course, lots of palm trees and beachy plants as well.
That's so cute.
Oh my God, so good.
So that's kind of what I'm thinking. Now, what are you thinking?
I love the beachy one, but I think that has a heart, or that should stay. This is Canada.
You're right. You're right.
That's true.
We need it to embrace the coldness and the snow.
And you just want yellow. Let's be honest.
yellow.
She wants the yellow. That's fine. So you're choosing
I
Kelsey's?
think I'm gonna go with Kelsey's.
It's okay, we got it. It's still gonna be a team effort.
But wait. I do really like the chair though. That's one thing that I really like.
Okay. We can see what we can do.
I thought that was
Normally
really cool.
we wouldn't do this, but we'll see what we can do.
Maybe for you.
Do a little mashup. We'll see. No promises.
Yeah.
But sounds like we have our work cut out for us.
Yeah. So can you help us like move some things around? We are gonna paint the walls. We're gonna do them in yellow. So we're gonna need to
Get these bad boys
Yes,
off.
you're right.
Yeah, we're gonna have to take these off, move things away from the wall as much as we can, and get ready for painting.
Ooh.
Okay,
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Do it.
So I'm a little bummed that she didn't pick my design, but Kelsey has some really cool ideas planned, so I'm excited to get to work on that.
Okay, so you both have to go. Do you have all your clothes? Because you can't come back in here
Do you
until
have
we're
everything that you need?
I'll grab everything that I need.
Okay.
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 And then we will get to painting, and you get to come back when it's done.
Okay.
Oh my-
Gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Blue.
What?
Little blue butt.
Okay. Also, like, we picked out these colors, but I still get so excited. I'm like, what does it look like in a can versus on a paint chip?
Well, now you're in the lighting that it will be in.
That's true.
Matters.
It does matter. Wait. Oh.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah, I still like it.
I still like it. Good.
You just never know. It always dries a little bit darker.
Fun.
I'm into it. She's gonna love it. Okay.
So we'll get this on the walls. We'll do shopping and DIYing things, and then we'll be back.
Oh my god, I'm excited. So we're gonna have somebody come and paint this room completely yellow while we DIY and shop for the room. For her bedroom, we're DIYing these giant Scrabble pieces out of some scrap wood that we had in her initials. And we're also making her a decorative ladder.
All right, it's the next day, and it's time to see how our paint job turned out.
Whoa.
That is yellow.
It is seriously yellow, but I think she's gonna love it.
Yeah, this is her color.
This is her yellow.
Even though it wasn't in my design, Adelaine really likes the idea of a hanging chair, so we're gonna see what we can do about that.
So I know she really wants the hanging chair, which in my head was like a great plan, but about doing it is a different thing.
Yeah, I don't know if literally it'll work like space-wise or just like,
How you hang it without falling down. So,
I know, I was originally thinking here, like in this corner, but I think if we're gonna put Sheldon here,
it's gonna take up too much
it's
space.
gonna take up too much space. We don't want like the chair hitting Sheldon.
And this window's kind of bland, so maybe it could go here, if it can go up at all.
So we called up our favorite handyman, Chris, to see if he can help us make it happen.
Welcome back.
Just an
Good to
impromptu
see ya.
Chris appearance?
Yeah, casual, our favorite kinds.
Look what we got for you.
So we have a request from the lady of the room herself. So we have this, like, this is the gold chair we want to give her, but I don't know how to hang it, or if it's even possible.
You know what? It is possible. These ones are great to hang off of leg anchors that go into a joist in the ceiling.
Yes, those.
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 You gotta imagine the solid structure. We're not using wall plugs for these kind of things.
That's what I would do.
Alright, no plugs.
Where would you want it, like what height do you want it at?
Like,
That's up to you two. Who's the short one though?
she is
She's
bit
pretty
shorter than
short.
us, so like,
Yeah, so we
here.
can come back 3 inches off that bolt. And the height is all gonna be determined on what we're holding it with too. So if there's a spring, if it's on a mechanism that's got any elasticity.
We bought the hardware.
So we'll
So-
check out the hardware, we'll see what the stretch is for weight capacity.
Who has to test this? Can you test it?
Heck yeah.
Can we leave you to do this?
If you want to. You don't really have to be
I
here.
want to leave you to do it.
Yeah.
We got other things to
Sweet,
do.
fun, bye.
Thanks.
It's always nice to visit people that just ditch you anyway. I approve this chair.
All right, thanks, Chris. We know she's gonna love it, but we need to continue with the rest of this makeover.
Cool.
Just move this back.
Now the painting is
Wait, this is like
Done.
actually the hardest though.
spent like 1,000 pounds.
It is. I don't want this anymore.
No, there's way too much food on this bed.
It's a little
Don't
distracting.
eat where you sleep, guys.
Bye.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, I got some pillows here. Pillows. I feel like this one doesn't match the yellow.
These ones, though.
Those are really cute.
Oh, yeah, this match is great.
Society 6.
Society 6 has, like,
Come through. Even this is Society 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. What's
Amazing.
next?
We can bring in the mirror and the shelves we're giving her, or dresser.
Yeah. We'll start with the dresser.
Cool.
All right, now it's time to get to these wall doodles, which I'm very excited for. It involves a lot of paisley and swirly designs. We're just gonna go big all over the walls.
Call up her Insta. Okay. Learn from the master.
I can do that.
Okay.
All right, let's get to it.
All right.
Using a ladder as a side table is a really good hack. It takes up less room and is very cute. We have a tutorial on how to make it, link below. I'm moving in.
It's so cute.
It's really cute,
Like, so Instagram.
I'm also really tired.
Yeah, I think this is a good spot to end for today. Everything big is like done. It's just the little things like
Yeah.
the desk and whatnot, which is totally doable tomorrow.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's really cute.
I hope
Like,
she
that's
likes
so
it.
good. The doodles are
That
so
is
good.
so good. I feel like she'll be into that.
Go team.
All right, see you tomorrow, room. Okay, I'm calling it quits for today, but tomorrow we're gonna finish up the room and reveal to Adelaine. And Sheldon,
He's in his new home.
on his dresser that we
He moved up to the penthouse. He's higher up now.
It's true, it's true.
I think he's happier. He likes it.
Look, he has a view out the window now.
Yeah! Ooh, views.
Views.
So there's a couple things like these shelves need to get
Yeah.
and
And
we
then
have
some things, oh yeah, we have this neon sign to hang on the wall.
which I'm so excited about. And our DIY Scrabble letters can get put up somewhere.
Yes,
Which is
I'm so
fun.
excited.
And then we're ready to bring her back.
I know, only a couple more things. Okay, shall we?
Yeah.
We shall. Also, if you guys want to try to cop Adelaine's style, we'll link some of the items we picked up for this makeover in the description below.
All right, so I'm gonna leave Kelsey to keep working on the room, and I'm gonna run out and grab some last minute pillows. I cannot decide which vibe I wanna go for, so I think the best thing to do is to text Adelaine and see which style she wants to select. So Adeline has this super cool suitcase that's covered in patches, and sneak peek, you guys are seeing it here first, we're adding our own TSG merch patch onto her suitcase. These patches are brand new, TSG merch, link below, go check it out.
Okay, so pretty much everything's done. Last thing is just this. It's cute. She says she doesn't mind it, but it's also really distracting.
It's giving us weird shadows. And it's so short. I feel like it's in your eye line and it makes the room feel smaller. Yeah. I mean, I know she's tiny, but
Come on.
her boyfriend isn't, right?
Yeah. And I also think it's like look at this. It's distracting from a beautiful wall art
I know,
that I
it's
did.
distracting from our Adadoodles.
Okay, we'll put in something simple. She really doesn't like it, she can put it back, but I think she'll like it.
Yeah.
That'd be good. Okay.
All right, the room is completely done. Adeline is out waiting in the hall, and we're just about ready to bring her in. This looks so good.
It's amazing.
So good.
Especially with the neon sign on now. I mean,
Ah,
that thing
That
on the
thing
wall
on the wall.
looks great.
and this also looks really good. But are you ready?
Come.
Okay.
On the count of 3, you ready?
1,
2, 3.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my wow!
Selfie mirror.
Oh my gosh! Whoa!
Do you love?
It looks so much cleaner now. Oh my god! Oh!
Ta-da!
It actually works.
It works. You can sit on it.
Handyman Chris hooked you up.
Oh, yeah.
He did like chin-ups on it. It works.
It's awesome.
So you have
Okay.
a hanging chair here.
Oh, Sheldon has his own little space.
His own little space. You have more storage.
I can actually use
You can use your desk now.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the way that you did the Polaroids.
Yeah.
It looks so much better than when I just taped it.
They probably won't fall down.
Yeah. Oh my
And
god.
few more
AM.
decor things.
That's
Yeah.
so cute.
And did you notice any extra things on the walls?
Oh my god, wait, you barely notice it?
They're subtle.
It's like,
They're
that's
subtle.
so cute. That's like the ones that I do.
I hope we did it as good as you do
Oh
them.
yeah, they're so good. Wait, can I really sit
I
on
really
it?
want you to sit in it. Yeah, it's awesome.
It's kind of, I don't know. You're sitting.
No, do it.
It's
We
safe.
all sat in it because
Wow.
it's so comfortable.
It's safe.
Ooh.
Right?
All the selfies in there.
I'm gonna swing
Him and
the hanging chair. This is so cute for like photos and stuff like that.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
I liked, wait, that looks so much better
Oh,
than
Yes. Also, like, we need to get rid of it because it was casting shadows and, like, we couldn't see the doodles as well.
Yeah.
So we were like, this is simple. It's out of the way. I feel like it makes the room feel bigger, too.
Yeah, it does, it does.
Yeah.
The room feels so much bigger.
And something else that you might not have noticed. I know you have a patch suitcase.
And we have a patch.
We have patches.
Not sorry. Oh my goodness.
You're the first person actually ever to get one of these patches because we're just
Ooh,
making them
is it
now.
merch?
So
merch.
Merch.
Merch link in bio.
She knows. She knows. All right, we gave you kind of the mini overview, but I know you're doing an actual room tour
Yes.
on your channel.
Yes, so if you guys want to check that out, it's our little collab. I get to show you guys everything in the room, and I'm gonna put more of my like personal
Yeah,
stuff
yeah.
in
You gotta
it.
bring it all in.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Show
So,
them the
if
goods.
you guys want to see that, link in bio, as well as the March link in bio.
And if you guys are here from Adeline's channel, hi, welcome. We do DIYs and room
Subscribe.
makeovers and fun stuff.
Subscribe, click the notification bell, click all notifications, and then just live your best life.
Yes. Live your best yellow life. Okay, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
I'm so
Thank
glad
you
you
so
love
much.
it. You're so welcome. I hope you guys love this room makeover. Tell me what your favorite part of the whole thing was, and tell me if you're excited for this new series and whose room you want us to do next.
And we have another Style Selected episode coming in just a couple of days, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, and we'll see you there. Bye.